Are they growling?
Yeah.
They're growling.
Skip
Skekskis. Hello, emu. Ah, he's doing the bird noise. The bird noise from the movie. That's funny.
This area is actually pretty big because there is donkeys here outside.
They're on the other side, I think.
So this is part of Lake Guntersville State Park. This is the wastewater treatment facility area, I guess. But emus, we've seen donkeys in here too. And there's a cave trail that I got us lost on.
Well, not on. We're about to go on the cave trail.
We're going to try to find that out, how that works.
Yeah.
This park is actually quite big. It takes from where our campgrounds are 7 minutes just to drive from where we're camped at all the way to the entrance of this park. That's how big this place is.
Jeez.
There's lots of fruits, nuts, and berries we've been picking up and checking out. And we're going to look up some more and see what we find.
Let's try to look up this cave trail and see what we find on it. There's some donkeys. And then there's some goats and some more donkeys. Hey, donkey.
Ooh, it's blue.
Yeah?
Ooh, are those goats?
Yep. Hi, goats. People must feed them. They're like, oh, hello.
He wants me to open the fence for them.
Elan, that's not how it works.
I know.
Yeah, they're like, where's the food? Yeah.
Like a parade.
I know. Hello, hello, yes, hello. Hello, everyone.
What do you think of that?
They're just saying hi. This is a little horse. And some donkeys.
Mules and donkeys.
Hi. Okay, we found the mysterious cave trail. So we're going to see if we can find a cave at the end of this trail. Is that right? Uh-huh.
If it wasn't so like steep and like angled, I'd have Elan probably walk, but he gets nervous.
Yeah, it's kind of up on a little bit of a hill here. But we shall see how it goes. Don't slip and fall. Yeah. Dada does not need to lift weights. This is how Dada stays in shape. Carrying both kids. Wow, that's a slippery slope. How'd you carry both of them down there? Are you nuts? Uh-huh.
Well, how often do you actually see me like fall down?
You always say that when I ask you something like that. How often do you see me fall? Well, I don't know. I guess I have to stop and think about that. Oh. Let's see. Where are we? Almost there?
Half-mile trail. We've been walking for just about 10 minutes now, so we should be getting pretty close.
Yeah. Alright. We're still on this trail here. How long has it been?
It's been like 25 minutes now. What's this say?
Ooh, it's like a whatchamacallit. Cave. Wait a minute. Did we pass the cave? Oh gosh.
No, it says there's an arrow. It's that way.
What?
Okay, right here, next to it.
Pointing right here.
Look on this side. What is that for the Tom Bevel?
That's just saying that that's one way to go, I think. So basically we're lost. I think it's literally saying the cave is the way we just came from. So I didn't see a cave.
I didn't see a cave.
So
Tom Bevel's that way.
we're lost, people. We're lost.
So I found this. This is the cave alternate trail. It's a half a mile. It's the other side of the road. So we came from that side over there, as you can see.
Nice trail, but I don't think it was
Cave trail.
right?
Yeah, cave trail, but there was no cave. So it must be this direction. So we're gonna try it out next time. Signing out.
Alright. Now we're on the cave trail. Now they said it was a half a mile. That can't be it, right?
That's the picture that everyone had.
That's the cave. That's not a half a mile.
So is the other one like go all the way around or something and come back here?
I don't know. Here's the mysterious cave we've been looking for all day yesterday. Not really all day, but...
I'm so happy that I can maybe find some stalagmites in the cave. I'll touch one if I can find some.
It looks like someone made it.
Yeah.
I wonder if it's made. Maybe it was actually made by rocks. Whoa.
It looks like it's carved out.
Whoa. What is this? Hello? Hello?
You look scared of it. You just want to go near it.
Aw.
Going further?